Hi, it's Minecraft Mountain Mom, here to show you how you can make real mountains in Minecraft without any special software. I'm working on a new project of truly epic proportions that is going to take a while to finish. I'm not going to say which mountain it is. Be sure to subscribe so you can see the finished project. In the meantime, I've put together this video of my work on a small section so you can see how I make Minecraft mountains and how you can too. Step 1 is to choose which mountain you want to create. These pictures show K2 and Mount Shiam, two mountains I've made in Minecraft that you can see in my other videos. Next, you need to print a contour map of your mountain. I find mine by typing the name of my mountain and contour map into Google. Here's the map of the area I'm working on in this video. I've traced over the contour lines in different colors so they're easy to see, and I've drawn a grid with the Minecraft coordinates so I can transfer that information into Minecraft. Now we'll just talk about steps 2 and 3, and then you'll be ready to start placing blocks. Step 2 is to decide your scale. That means what distance in the real world is equal to what number of blocks in Minecraft. I'm not going to get too technical here, but the main thing to remember is you want your horizontal and vertical scales to be equal, so your mountains end up being the right shape. In my project, 5 Minecraft blocks is about 120 meters in real life. Step 3 is so much fun. You get to decide what Minecraft blocks you want to use to build your mountain. In my project, each contour line on the map is a layer 5 blocks high. I've chosen 5 different rock types to build my mountain with. You could use any blocks you like. You could make Mount Everest out of stained glass, or Mount St. Helens out of emerald and diamond blocks. Use your imagination. In step 4, you'll finally start placing blocks for your mountain. First, use your contour map to start finding rectangles that you can fill in. I like to write out a whole bunch of coordinates, and then I can quickly do all the fills, going layer by layer. Here's what the area looked like before I started. I've just filled the polished diorite layer so you can see what area I'm going to build. I'm using Pocket Edition, but the procedure in Java is similar. Open the command bar, type /fill, the 2 sets of coordinates for the diagonally opposite corners, the material code for the type of block you're placing, and then the word replace. Then you can see a whole bunch of blocks get placed all at once. Here's a time lapse of this step. You can see how the mountain is starting to take shape. In step 5, you turn your mountain from a bunch of rectangular blocks into the correct shape. Using your contour map, make each layer match the exact shape of the line on the map. I'm doing that here with a diorite layer. When it's all done, this is what it looks like. It's starting to look like a real mountain now, and if you look closely, you can see how it matches the original contour map. Step 6 is to fill halfway between each layer. In this project, my layers are 5 blocks high, so I fill a 2 block high layer about halfway between the edges of the layers. You can see my kids are helping me with this part. The last step is to place blocks to smooth evenly between the layers. If you want, you can add features like rivers, lakes, and roads. Then enjoy your mountain. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you can see the videos of this mystery mountain when it is all completed. See you next time.